let's get started. केविन लाइव आया था, मेरे बहुत सारे फैन पेजेस ने मुझे उसका ढेर सारा पोस्ट भेजा. Don't wanted to do this at all because I have moved on. I'm done with this whole Splitsvilla bullshit. Done with this all drama. I had enough. So don't want to do this at all. But now अगर मेरा नाम बार बार यूज किया जा रहा है, so I would of course wanna just come and say my side of the story, as he said, his side of the story. So yeah, let's get in. I'll start from Splitsvilla. Okay, so Splitsvilla. जब मैं Splitsvilla गई थी, first Splitsvilla जाने का मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था. And जब मैं Splitsvilla गई थी, my motto was never कि मुझे वहाँ जाके किसी को डेट करना है. The reason that मैंने अपने इंट्रो में भी यही कहा था कि I'm looking for a travel buddy, or I'm looking for this or looking for that. Okay, that wasn't I wasn't there to find a boyfriend, first thing. And जब मैं केविन को मिली, we had that connection. I felt कि okay, he's cute, whatever, blah blah, anything. But I think that also happens because when you're in a show, you also know that कि तुम्हें connection बनाना है. You're somewhere forced to like someone or feel in a certain way. And I think that happened with me. During the show, we started liking each other, whatever. And he started getting very serious. I think 2 या 3 दिन हुआ था, I think. He's like, I love you. And I was like, what? That's too soon. And I was very scared. And everyone from Splitsvilla knows that, okay? Everyone from Splitsvilla knows how Kevin was just going all crazy for me. And I was scared. I stopped going, like literally मैं अपने रूम पे जाना बंद कर दिया था. मैं मेकअप निकी के रूम पे आके करती थी because I was just so like, I was like, this is too much. I don't want it. I don't want to be with someone who just like 4 दिन में I love you बोल दे. मुझे वैसा इंसान, I don't trust that kind of people at all. So he's like, I never felt this way and blah blah. And I've heard this million times, okay? ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली बार मैंने किसी को डेट किया है. तो मैं ये जब भी सुनती हूँ ना लड़कों से कि oh my god, I'm in love and I've never felt this way before for anyone, ये वो 10 चीजें. So I was like, okay, that is where I need to stop and I need to draw this line where I have to be clear about how I feel. And I started telling him that I'm not ready for a relationship. He was going all crazy. 15 days हो गया था, मुझे अभी तक पता है. 15 days हो गया था हमारे शूट के, जब we were in a swimming pool when he started saying कि I'll shift to Bombay for you. मैं उधर एक apartment ले लूँगा. I'll stay there for you. I'll do this for you. I'll do that for you. And I was freaked out because I was like, I do not want anyone's responsibility. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि मेरी वजह से कोई यहाँ आए and then मेरा responsibility बन जाए कि I have to see you every day or whatever. I was very freaked out. The way he was just going so crazy about me, I was like, okay, this is it. And the reason that I had to tell him that I'm seeing someone outside because of this, because I was not sure about him at all. The reason last time बहुत पहले अदिति ने live आके कहा था कि वो Kevin Cat के पीछे पागल था and Cat wasn't ready. Cat was crying because she didn't want to date him. This was the reason. The reason about all this thing, okay, it's not that I was against dating. I wanted to take some time. I always take time before dating anyone. And मुझे पता है because मेरे पास में बहुत ऐसे experience हुए हैं where I had to go through a lot of shit. The reason that I don't believe in people is because of all this shit. And the reason that I wanted to take time was because of all this shit. And now I feel really bad because I was like, my mind was so right about the whole situation and I fucked it up. Okay? Yeah. So goes back, I'm going to go back to Splitsvilla thing again. The reason I told him that I'm seeing someone outside, because he was getting serious and he was getting crazy about me. And during the show, I don't wanted to fuck up my game. And I was like, can we like go outside and talk about it so that we know ki how, like at least pata chalega ki what we are feeling right now is how we feel exactly, you know, like not just because of the show. But he was going crazy. And the day when I told him about this, he actually created this whole drama. लोगों को पता भी नहीं चला, 2 एपिसोड चले गए थे जहाँ केविन और मैं एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल बात नहीं कर रहे थे. That was the time. ये बास्केटबॉल चैलेंज के टाइम में we were not even talking to each other. When I told him that I'm seeing someone outside and I cannot date. No, I didn't say that I'm seeing someone outside. I said I have a situationship outside. I cannot date anyone. I need to figure out. But let's see. That's what I said. Exactly. I know, like, मुझे पता है मैंने exactly जो words बोला था. ठीक है? So, उसके बाद he created all this drama. I'm going to leave the show. I'm so madly in love with her. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. पूरे production house को पता चल गया था. इतना बड़ा drama create कर दिया था इसने. Then I was scared. I was like, oh my god, this guy is honestly like, first reason I didn't want it to come to Splitsvilla. और अगर मैं आ गई थी तो I wanted to win the show and go back. Because I really didn't want it to do Splitsvilla. और मैं अगर आई हूँ तो फिर से मैं पहले reality show की तरह हार के जाना नहीं चाहती थी. And I was like, this guy is honestly fucking everything up. Like, what is he even doing? He created this whole drama and then I was like, okay, ठीक है, let's just... I remember वो basketball challenge के बाद हमारी बात हुई where I said कि okay, let's figure it out. And I also told him that day that there's nothing outside. There's nothing outside. We're gonna see once the whole show is done. जैसे show खत्म हुआ, I was like, let's take it slow and see how it goes. Then he goes like, I cannot be with someone who I have feelings for. His exact line, okay? I cannot be friends with someone who I have feelings for. And I was like, I mean, we don't have to give it a tagline that we are dating, but we can be together. And he's like, nay, I'm going to stop talking to you. I'm going to stop calling you. I don't want to see you ever. I'm going to go back to US. And I was scared because, of course, like we spent like 35 days together inside the villa. And I was somewhere attached to him. And everybody in the show warned me, like, Kat, take it slow. You don't know a lot of things. I don't want to name them, but a lot of people said that. But I was like... And he also said a lot of shit about his ex-girlfriend. The reason that I felt for him and I felt pity for him, मेरा हमेशा क्या हुआ है पता है? I have always been in a relationship with people who are like emotionally fucked up, you know? Like, because I feel like, oh my god, I'm gonna try to save you, and then I get fucked. That's the whole thing. Like, I have always been a person who's like, oh my god, I will try to help you, or I'm gonna be your rehab center, just come. And then, you know, the people just come and then mentally fuck me. He said a lot of bullshit about his ex-girlfriend, saying that वो मुझे मारती थी. She cheated on almost like for so many years, and 10 लोगों के साथ सोती रहती थी, ये करती थी, वो करती थी, 10 चीजें उसके बारे में बोला था. And I felt so bad. I was like, how can someone do something like that? I honestly feel so bad for her now because I think that this guy, I mean, अपने बारे में तो कभी कुछ बुराई करेगा ही नहीं, of course. ये live आके इसने कहा था कि मैं I'm gonna expose her and all that. Honestly, okay, I want to challenge you if you know, like, अगर तुझे सच्ची में लगता है ना कि मैंने कुछ किया था, prove it. I really want to see it. You would, like, there's no one as honest as me, and I have always been so blunt about anything and everything. Okay, so ये जो बकवास कर रहा है ना, गोवा में गई थी, ये था, वो था, this whole double standard bullshit, no? Right now he posted about Luke. Let me get back to that now. Luke and I know each other from last 3.5 years. Okay? Yeah, he's my closest friend. Okay, he's my closest friend. We know each other for a very long time. He's an amazing person. Whatever. He has problem with every guy that I talk to, but when he talks to, he said on the live, Arushi was just my friend. I'll post a screenshot. I'm gonna post all that right now. Okay, I'm gonna post a screenshot where he said, yes, I had feelings for Arushi. We both had feelings for each other. I had a huge crush on her. The reason that we didn't dated each other or didn't had any scene because she was dating outside. So, did I ever tell you that you cannot talk to Arushi when we were dating each other or whatever we had with each other? Did I ever tell you you cannot talk to her? I never did. This guy goes through all my messages with all my friends when we started like seeing, and I was anyways very scared with this whole bullshit because I knew these are the things in a long term it's gonna be a big mess and I don't wanted that drama at all. This guy goes through all my messages with all my guy friends, checks everything. Then he goes like, they all flirt with you. Bro, everyone flirts with me. So, am I dating them? No, right? There are guys, people flirt with each other and that's okay. I wasn't flirting with anyone. If my friends are like, what do you like? I don't understand. Like, if a guy is saying something nice to me, that's flirting for you, but you can keep posting shit with your people or with your girlfriends or with your friends, that's completely okay because you're a guy. Like, we still live in a society where a guy just goes like, a girl is hanging out with two of her closest friends, then she's a slut. But if a guy is in a boat and in a whatever thing with 10 different girls, that's completely okay because you're a guy. That's amazing. Another, let's get back to that Goa thing, okay? Goa, Jigar and I, we are friends from last 8 years. We are family friends. I'm gonna, if you guys want all this drama now, I'm gonna like, this guy, Kevin, you can just talk. You can talk, okay? I'll prove with all this thing. Like, I am honestly gonna post the screenshot. The reason that I wasn't doing all this bullshit because I don't wanted to get into this drama because I was like, मुझे ये सब नहीं पसंद है और उसकी आदत है उसको जब he loves all this he keeps saying na cat loves Instagram. Let me get there. Cat is all about Instagram. Cat is all about this. When we were back from the villa, I was talking to my friend Himani. I was telling her I'm very confused. I'm not sure if I should start dating because this guy is going all crazy that he wants to date me and I'm not sure about it right now. And when the reason I will also post another screenshot where I messaged Palak. Palak was asking me if we are dating and I was like, let's see, I'll take some time because I just want to see how it goes. That's the reason we are going to go and let's see, like we'll plan something and whatever. People talking about this whole gold digger shit. Guys, chill. I have started working since I was 16, okay? I take care of all my shit. There's no one, Kevin ko puch lo, ask any guy in the world, there's no one who have done any shit for me and I don't need guys ka money. I don't need. I'm doing very good for myself. Very good. I would actually pay for the guy's shit. I'm not a kind of girl जो लड़कों के पैसे में जीती है बिल्कुल भी नहीं ठीक है I started working for a very long time and today whatever I have not just because of a reality show today whatever I have because of my hard working I am not a kind of girl जो पहले एक बॉयफ्रेंड को डेट कर रही थी उसकी वजह से you step to a ladder and then go to a reality show and then do a reality show and then get into then create this drama in a reality show that you're in love with someone so that you can get into another reality show. I don't do all that shit. I've done hard work to get where I am today. I have worked my ass off to be where I am today. So before saying that Kat is all about this, yes, I'm all about this because this is my work and I I love my work and I'm so grateful for my work because that's the reason that where I am today. Okay? मैं 25 साल की अपने parents के पैसे में नहीं जी रही हूँ. So let's not even get there. Going back to Goa. When we were in Goa, he posted that YouTube video where we were kissing. And I told him that, can we not post that? Because it's too soon. And my parents are gonna see, and I don't want it because before I have never, मैंने अपना relationship इतना public में नहीं रखा था. And I was like, okay, I don't want that. And this guy goes like, why? Because you have someone outside. I was like, okay, ठीक है. If you have that much trust issues, ठीक है, post कर ले. अगर मेरा कोई बाहर होता तो मैं शायद ये सब करती नहीं. First thing first. I was agreeing to everything he said because I was so stupid and I was in love with him or whatever that was. Okay, I was so stupid that I was just doing whatever he was saying. I would never let anyone check my phone, but I did let him check my phone because I was like, if he's having trust issues because of his past trauma, whatever, I should just maybe let him do what he wants to. And I feel like an idiot right now, but it is what it is. Goa, when we were in Goa, this guy shames me for everything that I do, everything. For working too much. He used to have issues like, you work so much, you're only working all the time. Yes, dude, because I don't live in my parents' money. I work. Yes, I'm working. And everything that is happening or everything that you are doing in Goa is because I have arranged everything. And I have to, मेरे dad का hotels नहीं है जो मुझे ऐसे ही दे दे, बोले कि आ जाओ अपने boyfriends के साथ और just chill. I have to work for them. Okay? He used to shame me for everything. You work so much. You make me work so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you have never been with a people who pushes you to work. I'm sorry that I don't know what kind of people you have been with that बस तुम्हें बैठ के वीड स्मोक करते रहने बोलते हैं. वैसे लोगों के साथ रहे होगे तुम तो my bad that I forced you to work, that I wanted to see better in you, that I wanted you to grow. My bad. I feel really bad for myself that why was I even doing that? Because you never appreciated anything that I did. And today you're posting the same pictures first, blaming me for everything and getting mad and fighting about it because I made you shoot all the pictures. And आज 4 महीने के बाद 3 महीने के बाद you're posting the same pictures that my friends shot for you. And you say you're not about all this? Come on. This whole double standard bullshit, keep it to yourself, okay? Look, I don't understand how these guys can just come and just say कि हाँ इसने ये किया उसने ये किया just because a girl is going out with her friends, then it's a pain. I don't understand this whole mentality. I don't understand. I have always had hundreds of guys friend. My mom chills with my friend. And the guy that he's talking about in Goa, I'll post a screenshot for that too. Okay? Jigar and I are friends from last 8 years. We are very close. He's an amazing guy. He's seeing someone in Goa. Okay? And every guy that I have chilled with, he messaged Yash saying that, did you kiss Kat? He messaged a bunch of guys, whoever I'm chilling with. Did you do this? Did you do that? He would ask after our, I won't even say breakup, whatever bullshit, okay? Once we stopped talking to each other, I went to Goa after we stopped talking to each other, okay? So he cannot say that even if I was doing something, that is none of his business because we weren't talking to each other. We broke up, okay? But I wasn't doing. That's not the thing. And even when I was in Goa, let's get back to the Goa scene. When I was in Goa, I lost this whole 2 months drama. I lost 7 kgs. I was crying every single day. mentally such in a bad stage, and Kevin knows that. I used to call him crying that I want to fix things. Okay, बहुत चीजें इसने skip कर दिया था, मैं detail में जाऊंगी. He said, हम अंडमान गए, हम ये गए, हम वो गए, and मैं US गया, then she went to Goa and this happened. That's why she fucked it up. No. Let's go back again. Goa में we had a lot of drama because he used to hate that I work too much. He used to hate that I'm forcing him to work. That when we went to Andaman, Anushka ने message किया था मुझे कि Kevin keep texting me. He's asking me about my sex life. How's my sex life with my boyfriend? All that. He keep messaging me from कोई तो fake account से, ठीक है? तो मैंने केविन को पूछा कि Are you still in touch with your ex-girlfriend? क्योंकि I think I should like you're going through all my messages, all my like friends के chat. I think उतना तो मेरा भी right बनता है कि मुझे भी पता चले कि तुम अपनी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो और मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज मैं ना आई एम नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ गर्ल हु इज लाइक इनसिक्योर जेलस नॉट एट ऑल ओके I think any girl would get insecure if you're seeing someone or if you like someone and that person is lying about shit and then anyone would get insecure. Tell me if I'm wrong, okay? She messaged me all this and she's like, go check his phone. You will know the truth. Ask Kevin about this. I asked him at the airport. I was like, are you messaging Anushka? And he's like, yeah, I was. Because I told him that Anushka messaged me about this. Then I was like, I want to see your phone. And he gave me his phone. I didn't even check his message. I was like, it's okay. I don't want to see. I don't want to see at all. I messaged Anushka saying, it's your issues. Just sort it out. You guys are mature enough. Sort it out. That's it. I had no reaction at all. And this guy comes and tells me, oh God, I'm so happy that you're so mature. You didn't even react it because if there was any other girl, she would have reacted. She would have gone crazy, blah, blah, blah. Okay? But uske baad, I started having trust issues with him because I have always been very honest about everything. And he have always lied to me about everything. He said when we were in Splitsvilla, I broke up with Anushka in 2019. बाहर आने के बाद मुझे पता चलता है, oh, they were तो like, don't want to say it here, but they were like having seen 2020 that. Kevin was still in touch with her. He used to have nightmares about her and he would call her because he was so like stressed about her. Stuff like that, okay? He wanted her so badly in his life. And then he goes and talks shit about her. That she used to beat me, she's this, she's that, she's drug addict, she's blah blah blah, she's bullshit. He said a lot of shit about her, okay? And then he texts her saying that he wants to whatever, be in a friendly tone with her. And he's like, I was sad because Anushka didn't want it to keep friendship with me or whatever, okay? After this whole Andaman blah blah blah, there was a lot of like doubts in my head because I was like, was it all because he wanted to show Anushka he's moved on and that's why he wants to be with me? I don't know. I was very confused because I was like an idiot who was just doing everything that he was saying, posting everything on Instagram just to show people that I'm dating, you know. It's not like he's the first guy that he's like, I have never kept anything on my social media because I'm very good at like keeping my private relationship maintained, okay? The reason that I was doing all this thing was because of Kevin, because he was insecure. He wanted everyone to know that I'm dating him. And ये सब के बाद भी, okay, people are going all crazy because saying कि मैं quotes क्यों, memes क्यों post कर रही हूँ. Guys, okay, I don't know how many of you have followed me before, Splitsvilla. I always used to post memes, okay, when it's funny. Some of my friends share something to me and then I'm like, oh, this is funny, I'll post it. Or my friends are sharing something and I'm like, oh, this is funny, I'll share it, okay? First thing, I have said that to Kevin a million times after we stopped talking to each other that I'm not your ex. I do not even consider you as my ex. तुम्हारे लिए big deal होगा कि I've dated Kat Kristen, मेरे लिए नहीं है, ठीक है? So don't even consider yourself in that whole thing that you are my ex. You're not. We were together for 1 month. That is not dating. For me, that is not, okay? We were not like, whatever. I wouldn't consider you as my ex. So if I'm posting something that is not about you, first thing first. And you shared some stories about me liking someone's post. तुम करो तो सब कुछ अच्छा है, मैं करूँ तो सब कुछ बुरा. He used to like all these posts and like memes what people used to make about Anushka and Arushi, all that. He used to like everything. पर अगर मैंने कुछ गलती से like कर दिया तो oh God, Kat is such a bitch, okay? He's saying that she's trying to defame me. How am I trying to defame you? Tell me, how am I trying to defame you? You going on Clubhouse, singing all the song, these hoes and loyal, then you calling Nikki, saying that Kat is a slut, Kat is this, Kat is that. You are doing all that. You are doing all this bullshit because it's really easy for a guy to just like, our whole Indian society is so crazy because अगर कोई लड़के ने ये बोल दिया कि oh my god she cheated on me, then people just believe because he's a guy. Like अगर this whole double standard thing, when a girl after a breakup, if she wants to be in a friendly tone with a guy, then she's not over him. She's so obsessed with him. But if a guy wants to be in a friendly tone with a girl, then he's such a good guy. He still loves her. He still cares for her. That's why I don't understand this shit. It is such a bullshit, okay? The reason that things didn't work out wasn't because I did something. The reason that things didn't work out because जैसे Kevin US गया, he stopped messaging and calling me. And we always used to have issues because he was not giving time. I am a kind of person, मैंने first day से उसे कहा था कि communication is very important to me. Very important to me. It's not just in a relationship, even in a friendship. I love having a deep conversation with people that I love. And we weren't talking, we hardly used to talk. I had to literally tell him ki baat kar ya nahi kar ya whatever, We were having a lot of issues about that. And then the whole issue comes back to again that you want to be in touch with your ex-girlfriend, but you don't even want to put 1% of that effort in this thing where you wanted it so bad. That's why I was so mad about it because I didn't wanted this. I fell for it after the show because I don't know what was wrong with me. I didn't want this at all. This whole relationship drama, this whole bullshit, this whole thing made me go through so much just because I am not a